Hey guys, so today I'm coming to you with a vanity and desk tour. A lot of the drawers in my vanity are honestly used for more so like office supplies because I more so use the storage as true desk storage rather than makeup. But I'll also show you what I have in my Alex 9 drawer, which is right next to it, which does have a fair bit of makeup. But honestly, I keep a lot of my main makeup in my bathroom. Either way, I think my setup is super cute and hopefully it gives you some inspo. So first off, I'll give you an overview of what my setup looks like. Some drawers, Alex 9 drawer over there, and the entire vanity setup just looks like this. I'll go over where I got a lot of these things and just through the drawers and stuff. But yeah, this is an overview of my setup. So I just wanted to say that the brand of the mirror, which is the main part of the vanity desk, is from Impressions Vanity. So they have a ton of different options online. So I just wanted to specify which one I got in case you guys were interested. So I got the Hollywood Iconic Plus Vanity Mirror. It has the LED globe bulbs in cool white. Okay, so first off we'll go through some of the knickknacks that I have because those are always fun. At the back, I just have a couple notebooks and the coffee table book, Yves Saint Laurent. And I have 3 little Starbucks ornaments. And then I have this Kate Spade tape dispenser and stapler. Then I have a Polaroid frame, which is from Urban. Then I just have my University of Toronto pen. Well, it's supposed to be a mug, but I use it for pens. Then I got this heart Polaroid frame from, I believe, Indigo. And yeah, it just holds Polaroids. Then I just have some lip products, this candle from Indigo, and then this was one of those Sephora Rouge point things, so there's nothing in it right now, but I just thought it was cute. Then on the other side, I just have some of my favorite designer boxes. They're just so fun to keep. I don't know, I just like the way they look. And then we have the actual vanity mirror, so I'm going to turn on the lights so you guys can see what they look like full blast. There is a dimmer, so you can turn them on dimmer than this, but yeah. So there's just a light switch at the side here. So yeah, it really does illuminate the room and perfect for doing your makeup. So I'll just turn this off for now, but see, it does have this dimmer. Anyways, yeah, so it basically just came in, I guess, 3 pieces technically. So the bottom part is pretty heavy piece of wood just because it's the base obviously, and then the huge frame, and then it just came without the bulbs in and you just have to individually screw them all in. I was so surprised that nothing came damaged. Like, these light bulbs look like they're so breakable, but I think they're actually plastic, so that kind of makes more sense. And they were obviously packaged really well. Unfortunately, shipping this to Canada is literally as much as the mirror costs, so I ended up shipping mine to Florida for only 30 bucks. So that was a plus. My dad's friend just drove it home for us, so I really got lucky in that sense. You Americans really do get good shipping deals. What the heck? Then I just have this cute ghost chair, which is from HomeSense. I love this. I was like randomly there one day and I saw it and I just needed to snag it, and I somehow fit it in my punch buggy. You know, desperate measures needed to happen. Okay, so now I will go through my vanity drawers, which again I said is more so true desk storage, but in my Alex 9 drawer next to it, it has more makeup stuff, so I'll show you guys that too. I also forgot to mention this box, the pink and gold box is from Target. So in here is kind of a clutter drawer, honestly. I just have some old parking passes, I have batteries, old driver's licenses and student cards. These are just like good luck charms and stuff, like little stones, guardian angel, watching eye. And then I just have some pins for my Polaroid board, which I currently need to redo. I don't have anything on it right now. Anyways, I have page markers, I have whiteout, USB, some memory cards, tape, some of my business cards for my Etsy shop, some cute stickers. Look at that little hedgehog, so cute. And then I have some pink sticky notes. That's just a stack of Polaroids, so I'll need to go through those soon and then pick which ones I want to hang. Then that is just a USB again. So this is a Polaroid book, photo book. And then here I just have Polaroid film. This is my candle lighter. This is a pencil case. And then I just have some custom Alex stickers. If you guys didn't know, my full-time job is a sales rep at a promotional company. So it's a lot of like stickers, decals, magnets, that kind of stuff. So I always got really cute custom stickers on the go. Here is my personal medicine drawer. It is the worst when you find out you're sick and then you literally have nothing in your like family closet. So I just make sure I keep my own stash because you really never know when things are going to come up. Life hack, this thing is amazing for if you feel like a little throat thing coming on, then this will definitely really help. Here is just some pens, pencil crayons, another pencil case, and a University of Toronto pink binder. And down here I just have a folder full of some assignments and then a paper cutter. This cute pink and gold folder is from Target. This side has the same acrylic storage separator, and I should mention this is from Solutions, which is probably a Canadian store, I think. So the Container Store would probably have something of equivalence. So I just have some highlighters, some mechanical pencils, glue sticks, staples, and whiteout. And in here I just have another folder. I'm honestly not sure where this is from, but I have a ton of assignments from my post-grad in here. And then here's just more so a memory drawer. I made this like custom grad cap thing for my graduation for my post-grad. And then there's just the program for the graduation, a little notepad in here, and then my two past Erin Condren planners. I don't use Erin Condren planners anymore. It just became such an expensive hobby. Like I'm talking like 25 US per week. It was just a little too much. So in here I just have a couple pairs of earrings, an acrylic, it's like an acrylic earring organizer. I'm pretty sure you can get that on Amazon. And then here I just have old pairs of glasses. I don't really know why I keep these. Obviously if my prescriptions change, then I don't really need these. And these are just some custom Mickey ears that I got on Etsy. Etsy has amazing custom Mickey ears for like literally any character or design. Just type in something that you're thinking of and probably someone has thought of it. So yeah, I love doing that when I take trips to Disney. And then under here, I just have some of my most sentimental flowers from my boyfriend Shane. I just like to keep like 1 year anniversary, like that's a special milestone. So I just kept some of the dried flowers from those moments. And then down here is my candle drawer. So most of these are from Bath & Body Works, but some of them are from Indigo. So yeah, that is the vanity at a glance, and that's what's in all of the drawers. As I said, it's definitely more of a true desk drawer setup, but next to it I have my Alex 9 drawer, and I'll show you what's in there, which is more beauty related for the most part. Okay, so now we're from this angle, and this is what it looks like. Very cool. So up top I just have my Louboutins. I love keeping these on display, they're just so cute. Up top I just have my hair extensions. I love these, they match my hair so perfectly. I don't really know how to put them in myself, so whenever I get my hair done, I love using these just to thicken up my look. As I said, a lot of my actual makeup is in the bathroom, but this is just some of my singles. We have a mineralized skin finish, a Gosh bronzer, a Chanel like cream eyeshadow, a Tarte blush, and just a Stila kitten. Love that shadow. And then some MAC singles. So in here, I just have a mix of all my lipsticks, some drugstore, some Sephora, some MAC. And then here I just have my favorite Ardell eyelashes. They are the 105s. They're so good. I just, for my eyes personally, I cut off 4 notches, and that seems to be the perfect size for my eyelid. It's just a random fun fact. And then here I have a lip mask. And then here are some press-on nails. I'm wearing them right now, but these are just like the different sizes. You know, you really need to get creative with this quarantine if you want cute nails. So this was fun to do. This is Queen Custom Claws. Then I just have a palette with a bunch of like multicolors. So like this is great for like Halloween and just different things where you want like a different color vibe. Here I have a little Dior pouch. And then back there I just have a Marc Jacobs palette. Here I have a light up mirror that I got from Amazon. One side is magnified and the other side is not. This is one of those 500 point things from Sephora. This is a two-faced one. And then this I also got as a Sephora point thing, and it's a silk pillowcase. Here I just have a ton of samples. Here we have a sparkling soda shine mist from Dry Bar. Then we just have some little setting powders. This is a bunch of lip products. This is a bronzer, and then this is a Sol de Janeiro cream. By the way, these clear organizers are from Solutions. Again, the Container Store in the States is probably going to give you equivalent products. So here is where I keep the most amount of stuff. These are just 2 Tresemme hairsprays for travel. And then I have a Batiste mini dry shampoo for travel. I also have 2 of these Biodermas in there. Bioderma is my absolute favorite makeup remover, and I use that before I wash my face with cleanser. And usually my daily cleanser is this Johnson's baby soap, and those are great for travel, those sizes. Then these are just some Clarisonic heads, and then here is a backup of my Estee Lauder foundation, which I love for full glam nights. I bought it during the Sephora sale. I wasn't actually out, but I was like, you know what, might as well get 20% off. Then I have these Bioderma wipes. Then I just have backups of my favorite products. Benefits, their Real Mascara, Anastasia Brow Wiz, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, the Armani Ice to Kill Mascara, and then I have these Chic Quattro shavers, and a beauty blender, and a NARS Laguna, which I actually got through points at Sephora. And this is actually from Amazon. It's like pearlescent powders for your nails, like if you want holographic nails. Okay, so the next drawer has a ton of stuff in it. I have my tanning mitt, which I'm going to take out. It's just an eyesore. So then I have a new bottle of Saint Tropez, which I again got from the Sephora sale. I still have a bit left in my other bottle, but why not stock up with 20% off? Then I have some Tough Strip Band-Aids. I have some Tylenol. These are my favorite to remove makeup. I find you just use so many cotton rounds that using cotton ovals is just so much more effective. So I love those. Always have a stock of those. Then my mom got me these like square ones, so kind of the same idea. Some Q-tips, then some Tide travel products. You can wash stuff in the sink. And then as you can see, I was not lying. I am a huge Bioderma fan. These are the ones that I bring for traveling usually. 4 backups, really necessary. I love to just buy my Bioderma on Amazon because it just saves me a trip to the store, and yeah, it is truly the best makeup remover. This is definitely not a makeup drawer, but I keep my Kate Spade laptop case in here, as well as a few books. I actually got this laptop case from Best Buy. Okay, so in here I have 2 big acrylic lipstick cases if I ever need those in the future. Then I have this see-through toiletry bag for travel. I keep these little tea light candles just in case I want to travel and have a cute bath. You can like light those around the bath, and it's just like a cute ambiance. So in here I keep my Lush products. They have a very fragrant scent, so I just keep them wrapped up in here. And even if I want to travel with them, this just makes sure they make no mess in my luggage. So here's one last overview. I just love that chair so much. I had honestly wanted one of these vanity mirrors for so freaking long, and I'm so glad I finally took the plunge. It was definitely a bit expensive. It ended up totaling around $382 US, which obviously is pretty expensive, but this is a lifelong investment. I know I'll have this mirror for so long, and I'll move it out when I do move out of my parents' house into my own home one day. So I know it will be such a cute investment, and hopefully I'll have a cute little daughter one day and we can do our makeup together, and that will just be so cute. If there was anything I didn't cover and you guys have any questions on where I got anything or about storage or anything like that, please let me know and leave it down in the comments. I hope you guys like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.